Here we are at a design project in Frisco, Texas. We are all wrapped up except for one last thing. Now, normally this would have gotten painted way ahead of time before furniture was ever delivered. However, the client inserted one last request and we were happy to oblige because we had talked about the fact that this fireplace was really dated. It has travertine all the way from the floor to the ceiling, which is beautiful. However, it had this cast surround that was faux painted in a way that just wasn't up to our standards. So we talked about it early on, and then he circles back and says, okay, let's do it. Well, we're making it happen. So we have our faux painter all the way from Houston, Texas, and he's provided a couple of samples for us. This is one that he made using some of the paint colors we selected for the room. However, I reminded them that the paint colors were used to contrast and to bring in the grays and blacks and gold that we wanted to use in the furniture. For this application, I believe this is the best color palette to use, and it will flow seamlessly with the existing travertine. So our goal is to make this flow seamlessly with the rest and have a very professional finish that wasn't there before. Super excited to see the completed job.